In this video, I'm going to show you how to regenerate audio in ElevenLabs quickly and correctly, whether you're editing a project in studio or working from text to speech. This is a really useful feature if you want to improve pacing, fix pronunciation, test a different delivery, or simply create a cleaner version of the same audio without starting from scratch. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more ElevenLabs tips and software walkthroughs. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open ElevenLabs and go either into Studio or into Text-to-Speech, depending on where your audio was created. If you already have a project open, go directly into that project. If you made a standalone generation, open the generation you want to improve. The goal here is to get to the exact audio segment you want to rework, because ElevenLabs lets you regenerate specific parts instead of forcing you to redo everything. Once you're inside the project or generation, look for the paragraph, sentence, or audio block that you want to regenerate. Click on that section so it becomes selected. This is important because if you want to improve only one portion of the voice output, you need to make sure you're targeting the right part before you make any changes. Now, with the paragraph or generation selected, click Regenerate. If you have not changed the text, the voice, or the model, ElevenLabs may allow up to 2 free regenerations. That means you can try again without spending extra credits, which is great if you just want a cleaner result or a slightly different take. After those free regenerations are used, the button will change to Generate, and from that point forward, additional regenerations will use credits. If your goal is simply to get a better version of the same audio, and you have not edited anything, using Regenerate is the fastest option. It's ideal for small improvements, especially when the first result was close but not quite perfect. You can use this to refine tone, timing, and naturalness without rebuilding the whole project. On the other hand, if you change the text, selected a different voice, or switched the model, then you should click Generate instead. In that case, ElevenLabs treats it as a new generation rather than a free regeneration. That means it will create a fresh version of the audio, but it will also use credits. So if you are making major changes, this is the correct button to use. A good workflow is to first make only the changes you actually need, then regenerate the specific section you want to improve, and listen back carefully to compare versions. This helps you avoid unnecessary credit usage and keeps the editing process much faster. If the voice sounds better but still needs a little polish, you can try one more regeneration before moving on. It also helps to remember that regeneration is most useful when you are fine-tuning existing audio rather than creating a completely new script from scratch. So if you are working on a narration, voiceover, or short clip, use Regenerate for adjustments and Generate when you've made content changes. That way, you stay in control of both quality and credit usage. And that's how to regenerate audio in ElevenLabs. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more ElevenLabs guides, voice cloning tips, or AI audio editing walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.